Today I am going to tell you what women over 40 are shocked about when they try the Brazilian wax for the first time. I am a professional Brazilian waxer in a big city in Germany, and today we will talk about the Brazilian wax and everything that comes along with it. So if you're new here, then welcome. I hope you enjoy the video and learn something new. The main reason why women get their Brazilian wax is because they want to feel smooth, silky, and hair-free down there, but some of them don't know what to expect when they come in for their first appointment. And so I want to tell you all about it. So the first thing that women over 40 are afraid of when coming in for a Brazilian wax is getting hurt. Many women think that it's be very painful, and they not sure if they can handle it. But I always tell them, listen, you are stronger than you think. You can do this. And yes, it might sting a little bit, but it's not gonna hurt you. So just relax and let's do this together. After their first time getting waxed, many women say, oh my god, that was actually not so bad. It was just a little bit ticklish, but that was it. And many of them also notice that once they get to the second appointment, the pain goes away completely. And that's because the hair has been cut already, and now it's only the fine vellus hair that needs to be removed. And that doesn't hurt at all. So once they get to that point, they keep coming back because it's not painful anymore. And another thing that women over 40 notice is that the pain tolerance is not the same as when they were younger. When I started working as a Brazilian waxer, I had many young clients, like 22-25 years old. And I could see a huge difference between them and the women over 40 that came in for their appointments. The younger ones could really handle a lot of pain. They would just lay there and be like, yeah, do your thing. Whereas the women over 40 were more like, ooh, that hurts. Let me just tell you, women over 40 are definitely more sensitive down there. And no, it's not because they've given birth. It's just because we lose collagen and elastin in our skin as we get older, and that makes it thinner and more sensitive. The next thing that many women over 40 notice is how soft and silky their skin gets after a Brazilian wax. Many of them never had a Brazilian wax before, because they thought it was too painful, and once they finally decided to give it a go, they were so surprised how soft and nice their skin felt afterwards. Some of them even start crying when they notice how amazing their skin looks and feels. And every single woman that has ever tried it says that it's the best feeling ever. You just want to touch your own skin all the time. And that's because when you wax, you remove all the dead skin cells and all the vellus hair, and that leaves you with baby soft skin. The next thing that many women over 40 appreciate after their first Brazilian wax is the boost of confidence that it gives them. Once they got rid of all that unwanted hair down there, they feel so much more confident. And many of them tell me that they feel more feminine and sexy now. And I love to hear that because that's exactly why I became a Brazilian waxer. I wanted to make women feel more confident and beautiful in their own skin. Many women over 40 are also shocked about the different types of wax that there are. When I started working as a Brazilian waxer, I only knew that there was hard wax and soft wax. But since then, I learned that there's so many more. There's even a special wax for people with very sensitive skin, and that's called sugar wax. And the great thing about it is that it doesn't contain any of those nasty chemicals that the regular soft wax contains. And that makes it perfect for women over 40 who have sensitive skin down there. Another thing that many women over 40 are shocked about is that there are many products out there that are made especially for mature skin. So once they get to know about these products, they start using them and they notice that it makes their skin look and feel so much better. I sell a lot of products that are made for mature skin. And once these women start using them, they can't believe how good their skin looks and feels. They often ask me, what's in this product? What's the secret? And honestly, I don't know. I just think it's because they remade for mature skin and therefore they contain ingredients that work well on our older skin. The next thing that many women over 40 are shocked about is how important the pre-wax skincare routine is. So once they learn that exfoliating and moisturizing the skin before a wax appointment makes a huge difference, they start doing it and then they re-shocked how much better the wax goes when the skin is well prepared. I recommend my clients to start exfoliating their skin 3 days before the appointment and to moisturize it every day for 1 week before the appointment. And that way the skin is super soft and the wax glides over the skin instead of pulling at it. Another thing that many women over 40 are shocked about is how important the post-wax skincare routine is. Once they know that using a soothing product right after the wax and then exfoliating the skin again 3 days after the appointment prevents ingrown hairs, they get on board and then they're shocked how much it helps. So for the post-wax care, I recommend my clients to use a soothing product that contains aloe vera and allantoin, because that calms down the skin and reduces redness. And then 3 days after the appointment, they should exfoliate the skin again, because that opens up the pores, and that way the hair can grow out freely without getting trapped under the skin. And speaking about ingrown hairs, that's the next thing that many women over 40 are shocked about. They do want to know how to prevent ingrown hairs, and then they get a few. And then they get really upset about it. And I understand why, because ingrown hairs don't look nice and they're itchy and painful. But once they learn that exfoliating the skin regularly and using a soothing product after a wax appointment prevents ingrown hairs, they start doing it, and then they're shocked how well it works. Another thing that many women over 40 are shocked about is how their partner or friends react when they find out that they VA started getting waxed. Some of them are really surprised and they ask tons of questions, and some of them are just shocked. And then they say things like, "Oh my God, why did you do that?" And I don't know why, but in general, women over 40 get more judged by society than women under 40 when it comes to waxing. Maybe that's because back in the day, it wasn't common for women over 40 to get waxed. So now when it happens, people are shocked about it. The next thing that many women over 40 are shocked about is how common it is in other countries. For example, in Germany, I get a lot of women over 40 coming in for Brazilian waxing appointments. But in Sweden and Norway, it's not that common. I remember when I lived in Stockholm, I worked as a Brazilian waxer in a spa, and I had maybe 1 or 2 clients over 40 per month. And then when I moved back to Germany, I couldn't believe how many women over 40 wanted to get waxed. So if you're from Sweden or Norway and you're watching this video, please let me know in the comments down below how common it is to get waxed in your city. And the last thing that many women over 40 are shocked about is how many mistakes they made before they finally found the right Brazilian wax. It took me years to find a Brazilian waxer that I liked and that I trusted, and I had no idea that it was going to be this hard. So if you're over 40 and you've been thinking about getting a Brazilian wax, I highly recommend to watch my video where I talk about the 7 most common mistakes women over 40 make when getting a Brazilian wax. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about the Brazilian wax and everything that comes along with it, subscribe to my channel. Have an amazing day and see you in my next video. Bye bye.